Good morning, students. These days we are studying tense. In the previous class, we were studying present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, and we were discussing that there are some verbs which are never used in continuous tense. Means ing not used. ing verb not used. Those verbs list in previous class I have given you. Those verbs are see, hear, smell, notice, recognize, taste, look, seem, appear, know. These are the verbs, and so many are the verbs which are generally not used in present continuous tense. Any continuous tense not used, also in perfect continuous not used. Continuous means ing verb. In total 12 tense, in 6 tense. In 6 tense comes the name continuous. Continuous and perfect continuous. Any continuous, 6 half of the tense, 6 tense, ing verb not used. Those verbs list I have yesterday given you. Today we are discussing. Suppose that I say I am knowing you. I am knowing you. This is wrong, because continuous tense not made with no. I am knowing you. This is a wrong sentence. The right sentence will be I know you, because no is used, not used as continuous. Another example I can say, he is understanding. He is understanding. This is wrong. The right sentence will be he understands. Another example, I am feeling that you are right. I am feeling that you are right. This is also wrong. Right will be correct sentence will be I feel. I feel that you are right. Another example, they are believing it. They are believing it. Wrong. The right sentence will be they believe it. Another example, the mango is tasting sweet. The mango is tasting sweet. Wrong. The right will be the mango tastes. The mango tastes sweet. Another example, the rose is smelling good. The rose is smelling good. Wrong. The right sentence will be the rose smells good. So, in continuous, these sentences are not used. They are but I want to inform you that some verbs, the list of verbs I have given you which can't be used in continuous, but some verbs can be used. Some verbs can be used in continuous tense. When its meaning will be different. Some verbs can be used in continuous when meaning will be different. For example, see. First number, see. The simple meaning is perceive with eyes, means देखना. See, perceive with eyes, means देखना. This simple meaning. And another meaning of see is meet. So when the meaning of see will be देखना, it will be used as present simple. And when its meaning will be meet, मिलना, then it can be used in present continuous. Clear? Example is that example, I see you are careless. I see you are careless about your studies. I see you are careless about your studies. Here meaning of see is perceive with eyes, देखना. So not I am seeing, I see. And now I use continuous when meaning will be meet. Example, I am seeing my friend tomorrow. I am seeing my friend tomorrow. Here seeing means meeting, so it is right. When see means देखना, then it will be used simple present, and when see means meet, it can be used as then in that situation it can be used as continuous. I am seeing my friend means I am meeting my friend. Another, when the meaning of here is simple, perceive it as sunna. When meaning of here is perceived as sunna, then it will be used as present simple. But when the meaning of here is hearing of a case in court, hearing of a case in court, in that situation we can use here as continuous tense. Example, I hear a noise. I hear a noise. This is right. I am hearing a noise. This is wrong. Right sentence will be I hear a noise, not I am hearing a noise. Now we can use as continuous hearing when hear means hearing of a case in court. Example, the judge is hearing the case today. This is right. The judge is hearing the case today. Correct sentence. Appear. Simple meaning of appear means seem. It will be used as present simple. But when the meaning of appear will be published of newspaper, books, magazines, or meaning of appear will be come out. In that situation, it can be used as continuous. Example. This question appears to be difficult. This question appears to be difficult. Appear means same. So this question is appearing wrong. You should write this question appears. But ing can be used when appear means be published or come out. Example. The new book. Example, the new book is appearing next month. The new book is appearing next month. Here, appearing means is publishing. So this is right sentence. The new book is appearing next month. Another, come out. Example, the sun is appearing. The sun is appearing means rising, coming out. A new artist is appearing on the stage. A new artist is appearing on the stage. Come out before the public. Appear means be published or come out before the public. In that situation, continuous can be used. Now feel. Simple meaning of feel. In simple meaning, feel will be always used as present simple. But when the meaning of feel is physical or mental condition, in that situation, ing verb continuous tense can be used. Example. I feel that he will succeed. I feel that he will succeed. Simple meaning of feel. I feel that he will succeed. Not I am feeling. Wrong. But when the meaning of feel will be physical or mental condition, in that situation, ing verb can be used. Example. I am feeling better. I am feeling better. This is the right sentence because it indicates mental or physical condition. I am feeling better. Now think. Think simple meaning of the opinion, be of the opinion. In simple meaning, always simple present used. But when the meaning of think will be consider the possibility. Consider the possibility. In that situation, continuous tense can be used. Example, simple meaning. First, I think I have done well. I think I have done well. This is the right sentence. Not I am thinking I have done well. This is wrong. But when think means consider possibility, in that situation we can use continuous. Example, I am thinking to go to America. Means I am thinking about possibility of going to America. When we think about possibility of something, in that situation, ing verb can be used. Continuous tense can be used. I am thinking to go to America. So students, that's all for today. In the next class tomorrow, we'll study present perfect tense. Thank you.